You know what I'm finna say? I can't with you, Nick. The tomfooleration of it all. Child. Now, thug. Got another charge, y'all. Old Bobby Hunt. Oh, yeah. This here clown. In open court. Oh, yeah, I said open court. You heard me right. Walked up and gave young thug here some dap. And gave him a perk and some weed. Child. Where they do that at? ATL all day long. Now, all week long. First we had the one putting it up his butt. That's the, Then we got the mama smuggling in drugs, but didn't know she was smuggling in drugs. Child, from that traveling girlfriend, but ain't want no talk. You ain't want to hear from me. But then this here clown handed the thug in open court. Now see, I know that you know that you got more sense than that. But then again, I might not know that you know. Because you don't know that you got more sense than that. Well, I hope you would. Thugger. You're making it hard for us, baby. You're making it hard for us to get you off of this here, baby. Now, by now, you should have been through all the withdrawals you gonna been through. Since the first couple of court visits we shipped in your shoulders. I know you was coming down, baby. I know. It's hard. But boy, you done been there almost a year. You done been there long enough to shake the habit. But you See, you ain't showing no paper yourself. Round here getting up her? What? Child, please. At least 3 or 4, but not 1. But child, I ain't the one who got me. You ain't hear from me, because I don't know nothing about no drugs. I have no idea how they get them drugs. Because you know they be listening to that. They be all up on everybody page, child. I'm just a small YouTuber, I don't know much. Infamous Sylvia, one told me about it. Sure did. Y'all go over there and like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. You know she be in the courtroom. Day after day after day. Been there since day one. Sure enough have. Watching all this tomfoolery go down. Child. But thugger. I love you. God knows I love you. But babe, I don't know what's wrong with y'all ATL boss. Y'all make it so easy, Paul. Come spend a couple days down here in 2-4, baby. What did y'all do? Because I want you to be free, Saga. I really do. I want you to be free. But anywho, I wonder did you get to pop that perk, though? Should have thrown it on the table. Said, I ain't got nothing to do with that. Don't want it. Come on, your lawyer sits right there. Now I know. He knew. Well, I won't. I shall not. I shall not say another word about it. This has been Saucey with the sauce. Stirring the sauce. Bringing the tea. Old Zucker tried to get him a perk, and they got popped. Sharing perk, cause it's like, comment, and subscribe. Cause you're watching me. And you're watching me a lot.